Critical care staff at this Montreal hospital are scrambling to keep up.
We are in an absolute war.
And this ICU doctor is urging people to get vaccinated because many of his COVID patients are not.
So the kinds of people we're seeing get critically ill with COVID, which is now predominantly Omicron, are the unvaccinated.
Quebec's health minister says more than half of the province's COVID ICU patients are unvaccinated, even though they're just 10% of the population.
I'm just saying that if you don't want to get vaccinated, stay home.
So the province is expanding where you need proof of vaccination, barring unvaccinated people from liquor and cannabis stores.
Whatever means it takes for people to understand the gravity.
Dubé says if it weren't for those unvaccinated patients, Quebec's hospitals wouldn't be as stretched.
We didn't really hit the peak yet. So what's coming in the next week is actually quite scary.
The province is giving people until January 18th to prepare.
I think you should have a vaccine passport to get in everywhere.
I think it's a little discriminatory to the people who aren't vaccinated, so I'm not for it.
People who are unvaccinated could face further restrictions in the weeks ahead, as the provincial government says it plans to expand the vaccine passports to even more non-essential services.
It is a new burden that small businesses will have to face, and they are really fragile right now.
During the first wave lockdowns, Quebec liquor and cannabis stores stayed open as essential services. With the right support, the restrictions are manageable, says this advocate for people with addictions.
If you want alcohol and you can't and you don't have your vaccine passport, you can ask a friend to go. You can go to the grocery stores.
The province plans to go even further, making proof of vaccination require not just 2, but 3 doses, but only once more Quebecers have had a chance to get that extra shot. Alison Northcott, CBC News, Montreal.